Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you my project report of my pattern recognition course, and my title of my project is face detection, and this presentation will include the introduction, description, evaluation, and something about my related work, and finally the summary and conclusion. So let's get started. The problem of face detection originated from face recognition, which was proposed as a location link of automatic face recognition system. In recent years, due to the development of e-commerce and other applications, the research of face detection has been paid more attention. Today, the application background of face detection is far beyond the scope of face recognition system. It has very important application value in content-based retrieval, visual detection, digital video processing, and so on. However, due to the complexity of face detection, it has not been completely solved. So this project mainly discusses the core problem and algorithm of face detection, including the research of early algorithm. The algorithm based on XGBoost framework and deep learning framework, and fully describes and analyzes its development process and current situations. This project mainly discusses the research and application of face detection technology, as well as its problems and future. Face detection is a computer technology to find the location and the size of face in any digital image. It can detect facial features and ignore anything else, such as buildings, trees, and something else. Sometimes face detection is also responsible for finding the fine features of the faces, such as the fine position of nose, eyes, and mouth. Nowadays, many algorithms implement face detection as a task of two types of pattern classification. That is to say, the designed position of the image will be converted into a feature, and then a pre-trained classifier will determine whether the part is or not is a face. Although the structure of human face is certain, which is composed of eyebrows, eyes, nose, and mouth. Due to the change of posture and expression, the appearance difference of different people, the influence of light and conclusion, it is relatively difficult to accurately detect the human face under virus conditions. So this is a problem. Now I will show you these descriptions of some algorithms. The first is about early algorithm. In the early face detection algorithm, template matching technology is used. That is, a person's face template image is used to match each position in the detected image to determine whether there is a face at this position. Then machine learning algorithm is used to this problem, including neural network, support vector machine, and so on. All of the above are for face non-face classification in a certain region of the image. Then I will show you the XGBoost framework. We introduce the method after XGBoost framework. XGBoost framework algorithm is a set of ensemble learning algorithm based on PEC learning theory. The basic idea is to build a strong classifier with high accuracy through several simple weak classifier. PEC learning theory proves this method. First, we focus on the ROC curves of virus detection algorithms on FDDB And then we will expand according to the algorithms on these ROC curves. So this feature is about ROC curves for face detection systems. Considering the performance, the weak classifier uses the simple Haar-like feature, which is derived from the Haar wavelet transform in wavelet analyze. Haar wavelet is the simplest wavelet function, which is used to decompose the mean and details of the signal. The Haar-like feature here is defined as the difference of the sum of pixels in the adjacent rectangular region of the image. The following is a picture of the basic Haar-like features. So the DPM algorithm itself is a component-based detection algorithm. It has a very good detection, in fact, for distorted gender, multiposes, multifaces. The face usually does not have large deformation and it can approximate to a rigid body. So the method based on DPM can deal with the problem of face detection well. But it also has this advantage because a big problem of DPM model is that it is too slow, so it is seldom used in engineering. Generally, AdBoost framework algorithm is used. So now I want to introduce the deep learning framework. Cascade CNN, DanceBox, and Faceness CNN. They are all about the deep learning framework. Cascade CNN can be regarded as a representative of the combination of traditional technology and depth network, like Voyager face detector. It contains multiple classifiers, which are organized in a cascade structure. However, the difference is that the cascade CNN uses convolution network as the classifier of each level. There is also a target detection algorithm called DanceBox, which is suitable for small targets such as human faces. This method uses the full convolution network to directly predict the target rectangle and target category confidence in the same network. By locating the key points at the same time of detection, the detection accuracy is further improved. So this picture is about my codes developed for my project, and you can see the final result is that we can use the codes to detect the face and eyes in any images. So then I want to talk about the related work about my project. In this section, we introduce some related works, and they include the RCN and MTCN. The first method is based on the fast RCN framework for face detection, and the second method is called MTCN. As its name implies, it is a multitask method. It combines face region detection and face key point detection. It is also a framework based on Cascade CNN, but the overall idea is more reasonable. MTCN is generally divided into three parts: PNet, RNet, and ONNet. So last but not least, I want to introduce my summary and conclusion. So in this paper, we use the cascade classifier based on a higher feature, and we use this method to realize the the face detection in images. So face detection is a classic problem in the field of machine vision, which has important application value in security, monitoring, human-computer interaction, social and other fields. Digital cameras, smartphones, and other devices have used a lot of face detection technology to achieve the functions of face focusing, outlets, sorting, and classification when image. Various vital beauty cameras also need face detection technology to locate the face and then determine the range of face skin and facial features according to the technology of face detection. In the process of face recognition, face detection is the first step of whole face recognition algorithm. So this above is all about my project. Thank you so much.